So Notion announced Notion Mail last year, but let's be real. Until that little mail icon actually showed up in Notion, it still felt like a someday thing. And then came the waiting game, watching others get access while you keep refreshing, hoping today is the day. And no, still nothing. Then just when I had stopped thinking about it, boom, Notion Mail landed in my inbox. No warning, no build-up, just dropped. So here I am, taking it for a test drive. And these are my raw, unfiltered first impressions. Is it a game changer or just another inbox clutter? Let's find out. So alright, let's do this. Let's click on the invite. Okay, it needs permissions. Fair enough. Notion Mail is currently a web-based app, and I've actually installed it as an icon on my desktop just a few days back. And that icon came from the web link I got when clicking on the Notion Mail button. And that's at the bottom of the Notion page. And now it looks like it's using that same icon to launch itself. Yep, there it is. Notion Mail's sign-in screen. Let's connect to Google. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention one thing. This currently only works on Gmail. I saw this come up in several forum discussions. So if you use Outlook or anything else, it seems you're out of luck for now. All right. The usual Google permission approvals. And I'm in, almost. Now it's asking me what I want in my primary inbox. To go with the flow, I just said everything. And we're in. Oh wait, what's this? Download for Mac OS. That button stays there till you actually click on it. So let's click on it. Okay, I see now. They do have a native Mac app, and it even installs straight onto my dock. Nice. All right, let's do the install real quick. More permissions. Okay, and I'm in. Again, not bad. Considering the entire sign-up process took less than 10 seconds in each instance. But now let's see what the actual experience is to use. Alright, first thoughts. This thing does look minimalistic, pretty clean and simple. The left side menu looks pretty standard. Don't see anything surprising here at first glance. But oh, wait, what's this? I see a couple of icons, and that feels familiar. See these? One is for Notion and the other is for Notion Calendar. Now this is a nice touch, isn't it? It feels like I'm inside a Notion page. Okay, but here's the thing. I just can't stick to one email ID. I need a few. Let's see how this works. All right, let's click here. Oh, I see it now. I can add another email account. Let's add that in and see how things progress from here. Okay, that looks like the first problem. I can't seem to add another email account. The process did go through, but where's my account? That's a bummer. Yeah, that's a bummer. Was really hoping that this would work out so smoothly. Probably need to reach out to Notion to check what's going on here. So yeah, first minor issues spotted. Hopefully it's just a bug, or maybe I missed something. Okay, let's send myself an email just to see if everything works fine under the hood. I'll keep it simple. Something like, hello, I've been invited. Now let me send this to two inboxes. One inside Notion Mail and another one outside of it to see if everything works properly. Wait. What are these three dots at the bottom? I see it now. Sent with Notion Mail. Nice touch. I can see a few options here. I can attach files, insert a snippet, share availability, or even trash this email. Okay, I'll leave these for later. Right now, let's just hit send. All right. Let's see if it worked. Yep, got it here inside of the Notion Mail. Since it's the same email ID sending to itself. Now let's see if it's in my other email inbox. Yep, seems to work. Oh, when I hover over the emails in my inbox, I get this small preview. Nice touch. But when I open an email, the images aren't loading automatically. Probably something in the settings. Okay, I see there's a filter option inside of Notion Mail. Let's test that out. I have an idea. Let's do something really simple. So I'm putting together the next version of my Notion system, SparkFlow 1.5, which has this quick capture system that I called as Jotpad. So Jotpad takes in brain dumps at any time, day or night. And as you can see from this graph, it's kind of crazy. I get different kinds of thoughts regarding my work almost constantly. They say you get over 6,000 thoughts in a single day. Wow. So I get them from the middle of my workday to late at night. Now, every day I review these thoughts, and some of these I mark off as pin it items, things that I need to land in my email inbox first thing in the morning. So let's create a filter for pin it items so that I can keep them in a separate view inside of the mailbox. Now, pin it appears in the subject of the email. So let's type that in and we'll see how it works. So this is a two-step process. First, I create a new view and then I have to rename it manually. Wouldn't it have been nice if this was just one step? Okay, let's see if I can create a nested folder structure for these views. Maybe group them by project. Nope, doesn't seem to be an option for now. Notion, you just had one job, just one. So I've been playing around with Notion Mail for a few hours now, and there's a lot to talk about. And it all comes down to how it feels, because this isn't just another email app. The side panel opens and closes just like Notion. Yeah, and keyboard shortcuts, they're there. You can bring them up with a command like Command K on the Mac. Probably it's Control K on the Windows. You'll also see them when hovering over icons. And let's be real, what's Notion without slash commands? Well, guess what? Slash commands are built in, and I'm sure more will be added over time. What about templates? They've already added a solid variety, like this calendar template, which automatically pulls in all of your calendar invites into one view. Neat trick. Inside of settings, you'll get the usual light and dark mode toggles, and the system mode if you want to follow your operating system. The same email view settings as Notion, like the side peak, the center peak, and the full page. Options for auto-advancing from one email to another, just like you'd expect. And of course some AI features. But I can't seem to figure out how to enable them yet. Gmail filters are here too, useful if you like setting up organized views. Now snippets seem to be some kind of predefined text blocks that you can insert. You can even add in your own. And of course, a default email signature that you can simply toggle on or off. I'm sure they'll add more functionality to this. So what are my initial reactions? For an early beta, there's already quite a lot in here. And there are still a few kinks to be ironed out. One big one being this access control to other email apps. Right now, Notion Mail is tied to an individual email ID rather than user accounts, which means my other email IDs, even the non-Gmail ones, do not have access. Now, Notion is on the right path, but at this stage, it's more of a specific use tool for me rather than a full email replacement. Apple Mail, Gmail, or Outlook are still way more versatile, especially handling multiple accounts. So there you have it.